Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Chipotle application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, go ahead and tap on the search box and then type in and search for Chipotle. Once you find the Chipotle application, you will need to tap on it and you will see the install button. Go ahead and tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Chipotle application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and once the installation is done, you will see the open button. Go ahead and tap on open and this will open up the Chipotle application on your smartphone. And now you can go ahead and sign up to create a new account or log into your existing one to use the Chipotle application right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Chipotle application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.